Welcome to All Things Igbo with Mimi, where we share stories, wisdom, and the beauty of Igbo culture.
It's good to be home, Kosi. We're going to fix things fast.
How? Can I help?
With my new ideas, we'll succeed quickly.
Why did this fail? Maybe we missed something?
Come, sit with me. What an elder sees while seated, the young cannot see from a tree.
How do I change course?
Combine wisdom and patience with new ideas.
Together, Kosi, we'll find a better way.
And so, Chiamaka learned that wisdom is not found only in new ideas, but also in the experience of those who came before us. Ihe okenye hunoche, no okorobia hunelu ukwu osisi agaghi ahuya. What an elder sees while seated, a young person cannot see even from the top of a tall tree.